Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by securing the trailer. Chock the opposite wheel and engage the parking brake so nothing moves. Use a breaker bar or long wrench to break lug nuts loose 1/2 to 3/4 of a turn. This prevents spinning once raised. Position a hydraulic or scissor jack under the frame close to the axle, then set a rated jack stand to support weight. Once done, lift only enough to clear the ground and recheck that lug nuts remain loose before continuing with removal. With the trailer supported, raise it until the wheel clears and make sure weight sits firmly on the jack stand. Do not rely on the jack alone. Remove lug nuts in a star pattern to avoid warping the wheel. Pull the wheel straight off the hub to prevent damaging studs. Inspect the hub face, bearings, seals, studs, and brake components carefully. If bearings look dry or pitted, replace or repack them now. Likewise, note any loose or rusted studs, so you can address those before reinstallation. To finish, either mount the replacement wheel or set the removed wheel aside on a clean surface. Hand thread lug nuts, lower the trailer until tires touch, then torque lug nuts to the manufacturer specification in a star pattern. Lower fully, remove the jack and chocks, and perform a quick test drive at low speed to confirm no wobble. If the wheel's stuck on removal, tap the hub face gently with a rubber mallet to break corrosion. Never hit studs, and apply penetrating oil if needed, then re-attempt removal after a few minutes.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.